Hi friends, watch this video till end and learn how to make broccoli vegetable stir fry, a best accompaniment with your rice or noodles or even served as a starter. Welcome to Avi's Delights. Want to be the first one to see our videos? Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Ingredients: broccoli buds 2 cups, carrots half cup, French beans half cup, capsicum half cup, cumins 1 teaspoon, onion 1 medium size, garlic cloves 15, green chillies 4, oil 3 teaspoons and salt to taste. Let's start. In a frying pan add oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumins. You can also use olive oil or groundnut oil or any oil of your choice. Today I am using corn oil here. Once the cumins splutter, add green chillies, which are very finely chopped, and even the garlic, which are very finely chopped as well, and saute for a while. If you want, you can also crush them or even coarsely grind it with your mixer jar. Now add onions, which are cut lengthwise. We are not finely chopping it because we want to match it with the other vegetables. Let the onion turn transparent. Now add long cut carrots and French beans. Have cut all the vegetables lengthwise. It gives a very beautiful color and texture to your stir fry. You can cut it as per your requirement. Add capsicums and keep stirring on medium flame. Add salt and mix it so that it combines very well with your vegetables. Now add our super ingredient, broccoli buds. I have cut each bud into 2 to 3 pieces. Mix thoroughly. Close the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. If you want your vegetables to be crunchy, you need not have to close the lid and cook. You can just keep frying it for 3 minutes with open pan. After 3 to 5 minutes of cooking, your broccoli vegetable stir fry is ready. Can be served as accompaniment with your rice or noodles or even served as a starter. If your kids are picky eaters like mine and want to include vegetables in their diet, just roll it up in a chapati with ketchup and mayonnaise of their choice. Take it in a serving bowl and serve it with a smile. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe to Avi's Delights for more yummy recipes. Don't forget to press the bell icon.